Part 4, guys. 2 packs left. We already pulled the 2 autos, but let's get a nice low-numbered prism, especially a rookie one. Something there looks nice. I don't know if that's red. It must be red and then a purple. Ramon Sessions, Paul Pierce, Deli, Jeff Green, Boris Dia, Levert rookie, Kelly Olenek, 75, 8 of 75. John Wall, first step. First I was thinking this was a black. That would have been sick. But it's a red, not numbered. John Wall. Channing Frye, Prism. CJ McCollum, Clint Capella, and Sean Livingston. Wow, we haven't had much low numbered. That's, man, at least a number to 25 in here. Not a gold. Usually the golds come with points. We got 2 hits, so a 101, that'd be nasty. To 5th anniversary, that'd be pretty sweet. Looks like either. Whoa. Let's see. Paul Millsap, Taj Gibson, Deion Waiters, Joakim Noah, Dwell Arthur, Luol Deng, LeBron James, Sky's the Limit, Prism. Isaiah Thomas, First Step, Prism. All right. No, it's not a prism, just a first step. Roy Hibbert, Prism. Brandon Knight, Contavious Caldwell Pope, and Ricky Rubio. All right, guys. That's my break. I don't think it was that great a box. I've seen a lot better, but we'll see. I don't know a lot of the rookies and stuff, so go through it and see what we get. Tell me what you guys think. I'll have to put this up in like 4 parts. Sorry, guys. I'm out. See ya!